in order to take your prize for this Hamster Kombat morse code, first off, you come to the end per tab section. Click on it 3 times. Watch me do it. 1, 2, 3. It's going to change to this red color. Yeah. So the next thing that you are going to do is for you to tap on this horse so that you can earn your prize. Today's code is E. You tap on it only once. It will come outside. The next one is T. You long press and release. The next one is H. You tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is E. You tap once. 1. To get your arrow, you tap, you long press, release, tap. Tap, long press, release, tap. To get your E, you tap again. To get your U, you tap, long press, release. You tap, long press, release. And to get your M, you long press, release, long press, release, long press, release, long press, release. Good. The last stage is for you to just take your prize.